Ciao a tutti! Welcome back to a new video of the series called Make It Sweet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a rich and fudgy double chocolate banana bread. We are using Dutch processed cocoa and chocolate chips for that extra chocolatey flavor. So stay with me because this recipe is very simple and you want to start with preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to melt your butter and completely and let it cool. Here I have a stand mixer that I definitely recommend because we have to cream the butter and the sugar together. And for this, you need a paddle attachment. I'm going to add granulated sugar and mix at medium and then high speed until it reaches that creamy and pale color. Okay, the consistency has changed. The butter and the sugar now are nicely creamed. And let's add our eggs. Bring to medium speed. The eggs are fully combined. Here I have some Greek yogurt. You can also use sour cream. To the yogurt, I'm adding a little bit of vanilla and yogurt to the egg mixture. Just a few seconds and it's done. Let's take care of our dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, combine all-purpose flour that I suggest to sift, cocoa powder. I'm using Dutch processed cocoa powder. It gives that extra rich chocolatey flavor. And I have here baking powder and baking soda. Using a whisk, combine the ingredients. Let's add a little bit of salt. And I'm going to add the dry ingredients to the egg mixture. All in once. Just combine those ingredients together for a few seconds. You don't want to overmix. Stop the mixer. This is ready, as you can see, just a few seconds. So here I have some chocolate chips. It's up to you. You can go with a mix of dark and semi-sweet or semi-sweet and milk chocolate. Here I am using half milk chocolate chips and half semi-sweet. And gently fold those chocolate chips in the butter. Again, you don't want to overmix. It smells already so good. Here I have a 9x5 loaf pan, greased with some no-stick spray, lined with a parchment paper. And let's pour our butter in it. Oh, it looks so good. And set aside. grab an extra banana and just slice your banana in half. And just place on top. It looks beautiful. And sprinkle with some coarse sugar. Don't be shy, the more the better. This is going to create that caramelized, crunchy crust. And it's the same topping that I made for the banana, the classic banana bread. If you want to see the video, I will link it here. I highly recommend to watch it. And you can also add some cinnamon. And this is ready to be baked for 50-55 minutes. It smells fantastic. Oh my God, and it's so, look at that. Look at how nice and soft this is. It has such an intense and deep flavor of chocolate, and the combination with the banana is absolutely amazing. Delicious. The top, it's nice and crunchy. Oh, pure deliciousness. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. I hope you like this recipe, and I'll see you next week with a new video. Thank you so much for joining me. Ciao.